Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the art of lawn garden design and tips for how to decorate your outdoor landscape space and the best items to use to create outdoor oasis. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Lawn garden design is more than just a pretty green patch. It's a reflection of your personal style, a sanctuary for relaxation, and a valuable asset to your property. In this video, we'll explore the significance of lawn garden design, offer practical tips for creating a stunning outdoor space, and showcase the best items to elevate your landscape. Lawn garden design is the art and science of creating a visually appealing and functional outdoor space. It involves careful planning, selection of plants, and consideration of various design elements to achieve a harmonious and inviting environment. A well-designed lawn garden offers numerous benefits, including: first, increased property value. A beautiful outdoor space can significantly enhance your home's appeal and market value. Second, improved curb appeal. A visually pleasing lawn garden creates a positive first impression for visitors and neighbors. Third, enhanced relaxation and stress relief. Spending time in nature can have a profound calming effect on your mind and body. Fourth, environmental benefits. A healthy lawn and garden can help improve air quality, conserve water, and provide habitat for wildlife. Decorating your lawn garden involves a combination of art and science. Here are some essential tips and steps. First, create a focal point. A focal point, such as a statue, water feature, or unique plant, can draw attention and add interest to your space. Second, use color and texture. Incorporate plants with varying colors and textures to create a visually dynamic landscape. Third, consider symmetry and balance. A symmetrical design can create a sense of order and harmony, while an asymmetrical design can add a touch of whimsy. Fourth, pay attention to scale. Ensure that plants and other elements are appropriately sized for your space to avoid overcrowding or underutilization. Fifth, lighting. Add ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially during evening hours. Here are some essential items to consider for your lawn garden design. 1. Plants. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate, soil conditions, and desired aesthetic. 2. Lawn care equipment. A quality lawn mower, trimmer, and edger are essential for maintaining a healthy and well-groomed lawn. 3. Decorative elements. Consider adding statues, fountains, bird baths, or wind chimes to enhance the visual appeal of your space. 4. Outdoor furniture. Create a comfortable seating area with chairs, tables, and umbrellas for enjoying your outdoor space. 5. Garden accessories. Incorporate garden accessories such as pots, planters, and trellises to add personality and functionality. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of the top 10 lawn garden design ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Create a Zen garden. Imagine a peaceful oasis where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. A Zen garden, characterized by its minimalist and serene design, is the perfect retreat. Featuring raked gravel, rocks, and a small pond, these gardens promote tranquility and mindfulness. The rhythmic sound of water and the clean lines of the design create a calming atmosphere. 2. Design a cottage garden. Step into a romantic and whimsical world with a cottage garden. Overflowing with colorful flowers, climbing vines, and rustic charm, these gardens evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. A winding path, a quaint bench, and a charming trellis can enhance the cottage garden aesthetic. 3. Build a herb garden. Indulge your senses and nourish your body with a fragrant and functional herb garden. Growing your own herbs not only adds flavor to your meals, but also provides a sense of accomplishment and self-sufficiency. Consider planting herbs that complement your culinary preferences, such as basil, rosemary, thyme, or mint. 4. Install a water feature. The soothing sound of water can instantly transform your outdoor space. Whether it's a cascading waterfall, a bubbling fountain, or a tranquil pond, a water feature adds a touch of elegance and relaxation. The gentle flow of water can also attract wildlife, such as birds and butterflies. 5. Create a vegetable garden. Enjoy the taste of fresh, homegrown produce by planting a vegetable garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, growing your own vegetables is a rewarding experience. Choose vegetables that are suitable for your climate and soil conditions, and consider incorporating companion planting techniques to maximize yields and deter pests. 6. Design a woodland garden. Embrace the natural beauty of your surroundings with a woodland garden. This type of garden is ideal for shaded areas and features plants that thrive in moist, partially shaded conditions. Ferns, hostas, and azaleas are common choices for woodland gardens. 7. Build a patio or deck. Create a comfortable and inviting outdoor living space with a patio or deck. These structures provide a solid foundation for outdoor furniture, grills, and other amenities. Choose materials that complement your home's architecture and withstand the elements. 8. Install outdoor lighting. Enhance the ambience of your outdoor space with carefully placed outdoor lighting. String lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lights can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, especially during evening hours. Consider lighting pathways, trees, or focal points to highlight the beauty of your garden. 9. Create a rock garden. Low maintenance and visually appealing, rock gardens are a great option for those who want to minimize upkeep. These gardens feature rocks, succulents, and drought-tolerant plants. The textured appearance of the rocks and the vibrant colors of the plants create a unique and interesting landscape. 10. Design a themed garden. Let your imagination run wild and create a themed garden that reflects your personal interests or style. Whether you're a fan of tropical plants, Mediterranean landscapes, or Japanese gardens, a themed garden can add a unique and memorable touch to your outdoor space. Lawn garden design offers endless possibilities for creating a beautiful and functional outdoor space. By following these tips and incorporating your personal style, you can transform your backyard into a peaceful oasis. Remember, the key to a successful lawn garden is to enjoy the process and experiment with different design elements. For more inspiration and expert advice on lawn garden design, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs. We offer a variety of tutorials, tips, and product reviews to help you create the outdoor space of your dreams. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.